Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of USDcad. USDcad went for this high and after this high came down for this low. From this low went up to this lower high. Here in this analysis I am not giving the numbers to lower highs and higher highs, but just mentioning them. This was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. The market went up for lower high. This was the first lower high from here. Then market came down at this level. This level is a bit, and this horizontal line needs to be fixed a bit. It is here. So this is the higher high. This is the first higher high, and now the market went back for this lower high. Now one thing is noticeable: the previous lower high was not broken. If this lower high would have been broken, then it could make a setup for upward, but this was not broken and market is coming downward now. What did send the market upward? Now here it was the previous resistance and the market came down, touched this resistance and went up for the lower high. These kind of resistances are not very strong. They do not change the trends, but they sent for lower highs. Maybe it could break this, but it didn't happen, and now it survived, and this is the lower high. So now the market is going to break this higher high and going for the next this is lower low. Please don't mind, I do sometimes confuse these words, but these are the same things. You understand them very well, but please bear with me. I forget. I actually I am mesmerized by these markets. This is my passion, so I delved into it. I do make these simple errors, and please I'm sorry for that. So now let us come to this. Now this was the low, and this is the lower low. So in previous videos I was calling this lower low 1, and I would have been calling this lower high 1 and this lower high 2, this low and this lower low 1. But now I am trying to make it more simple, just lower low and higher high, lower high in this downward setup. Now the market is going to break this and going for a new lower low. Where it is expected? It is expected to this level. This is the support here. What I have done here now, I am going to put here the horizontal line. Now this is the level, and it is high probability that it will come down to this level. Whether it is able to break it, and there is high probability that this will be broken, and this is also the next and next. These three levels, this is it has a head, and this is a high probability that this will be broken. When previous low or high is broken, then the market goes to the next level it won't be back from here just by penetrating. It won't go back. It come to the next. It will be coming down to the next level. This is high probability. So for the short setup, this will be the let me put the short position, because the market here we can put here the short. This is the short position, and TPs, there are multi TPs. There is the possibility of multi TPs. Now let me put to and maximum. I think it is enough. Now there are here TP calls can also be taken, but I am quite confident that it will be broken easily. So these are the 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 possible take profits, but it's all up to you how comfortable you are. You may take there. And for stop loss, this is a lower high, and we don't need to go further. But if the market changes its direction, but how will it change from here when it did not go for, it did not break the lower high? So I think it's quite simple, but this there is a risk reward, good risk reward ratio. So it is better to keep yourself safe from the stop loss. So I think the stop loss, a better stop loss is above this this wick. Why is it not moving? Yes, now it's moving. This is the safest stop loss, and if anyone is not comfortable with that, it can be set here. I am expecting it also to be safe, but these are the markets are not that we can't say anything with 100%. This is just my analysis, and you may analyze it by yourself, uh, and let us see what happens. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share with others. I want that our trader community be reach at the 1 million profitable traders, from 95% losers to 95% at least achievers. So please help me in this regard and share this channel with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.